Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a classic chocolate mousse recipe for you. Ingredients: 200 grams dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, finely chopped. 4 eggs, separated. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. 1 cup heavy cream. Optional: whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions: melt the chocolate. Place the chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Set the bowl over a pot of simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Stir the chocolate occasionally until melted and smooth. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Separate the eggs. Crack the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. Place the egg yolks in a large mixing bowl and set the egg whites aside for later use. Whisk the yolks. Add the granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and salt to the egg yolks. Whisk until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thickened. Incorporate the chocolate. Pour the melted chocolate into the egg yolk mixture. Stir well until thoroughly combined. Whip the cream. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip, or it may become too stiff. Fold the cream. Gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture until no streaks remain. Be gentle to maintain the mousse's light and airy texture. Beat the egg whites. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer or whisk until stiff peaks form. Incorporate the egg whites. Carefully fold the beaten egg whites into the chocolate mixture, using a spatula. Fold gently to avoid deflating the mixture. Chill and set. Spoon the chocolate mousse into individual serving dishes or one large serving bowl. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or until set. Serve and garnish. Before serving, you can garnish the chocolate mousse with a dollop of whipped cream and some chocolate shavings, if desired. Enjoy. Note: this recipe contains raw eggs. If you have concerns about consuming raw eggs, you can use pasteurized eggs or substitute with a suitable egg replacement product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.